back to Ephesians 2 again. The sinner is so dead that all that he is involved in can be summed up as being of the world, of the devil, and of the flesh. He can do absolutely nothing outside of that. So when you come to verse 4, if you're going to start to talk about salvation, it doesn't start out in verse 4 and say, however, one day you came to your senses. It says, but God, being rich in mercy, because of his great love with which he loved us, even when we were dead in our transgressions, made us what? Alive. He did it. He made us alive. Together with Christ, by grace you've been saved. He raised us up with him. You say, yeah, but we had to believe. Of course. Verse 8, for by grace you have been saved through faith, and that faith, not of yourselves. It is the gift of God.